Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Now, this was the question which was asked by one of the students. He just got it on YouTube. So he asked me, sir, how can we solve this problem? So I just tried this problem and able to solve this in 2 to 3 minutes. So I just thought of sharing the solution with you. So let's go through the steps and see how we can solve this problem. 4 power x plus 6 power x equal to 9 power x. Now, from childhood always numbers are my passion. I look at the numbers, I always see how they are related to each other. So the first second I looked at this problem, what struck me is 4 is 2 square, 6 is 2 into 3 and 9 is 3 square. So the given equation becomes 2 square whole to the power of x plus 2 into 3 whole to the power of x equal to 3 square whole to the power of x. Now I certainly know that I have to make it into a quadratic equation to solve this. So I was looking for where I can get squares. So I have changed this as 2 power x whole square plus 2 power x into 3 power x is equal to 3 power x whole square. Now let us say 2 power x equal to a variable p and 3 power x is equal to another variable q. Then this becomes p square plus pq equal to q square or minus q square equals to 0. Now we have two variables here, p and q. Now we want to make it into quadratic equation. We should have only one variable. So what we are going to do now is we are going to divide with q square, so that we will have p square by q square plus pq by q square, that is p by q, minus 1 is equal to 0. Now let us say p by q is equal to z. What we have now is z square plus z minus 1 equal to 0. This is what we want to achieve from the beginning of the problem, get a quadratic equation. Now by quadratic formula, z equals to minus b minus 1 plus or minus b square, that is 1, minus 4ac, minus of minus is plus, so that will be plus 4 divided by 2a, which is equal to 2. So z equals to minus 1 plus or minus root 5 divided by 2. Now I have two options. Now which one I have to consider? So here we have to look into what is our p by q. What is our p by q? P by q is 2 by 3 whole to the power of x. That is our p by q. Now certainly we know whatever may be the value of x, whether it is positive or negative, p by q or 2 by 3 whole to the power of x will be always positive only. So we will consider then z value as minus 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. So now z became root 5 minus 1 by 2. So let's change the color so that we won't get confused. Now once we got z is p by q. So we know p by q is equal to root 5 minus 1 divided by 2. What is p by q? 2 by 3 whole to the power of x. Ultimately we have to find out the value of x. 2 by 3 whole to the power of x is root 5 minus 1 by 2. Then we have exponential form to logarithmic form conversion. A power x equals to b, then x equals to logarithm of b to base a. So that logic we can use and we can get the value of x as x equals to log of root 5 minus 1 divided by 2 with base 2 by 3. We can simplify this now. We can write it as that is equal to log of root 5 minus 1 minus log 2 divided by log of 2 minus log of 3. We can leave it here, or we can plug in the values in calculator. We will get the value as 1.1868. Afterwards, approximate the value to 1.187 if you want it up to 3 decimals, or 1.19 if you want it to approximate it, round it to 2 decimals. So the value of x is 1.19. So I just thought of sharing this solution. Please do let me know your feedback. Thanks for your time and support. I'll catch you once again with another interesting example. Till then, keep smiling and sharing. Bye for now.